How to fix Google search not working. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Google search not working on your phone. So if Google isn't loading results and you can't search for anything, just follow along step by step to get it working again. All right, let's dive in. First, unlock your phone and check the top of your screen. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or mobile data turned on. If you're not connected to the internet, Google search won't work at all. Go ahead and turn data or Wi-Fi on if it's off. Now, if you are connected and Google still isn't searching, here's what to do. Find the Google or Chrome app, whichever one you're using. Now press and hold the app icon, then tap the little info I button. Scroll down and tap Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the issue. Next, tap Clear Data or Manage Storage, then choose Clear All Data and confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your Google account or bookmarks, it just refreshes the app. Once you're done, open Google or Chrome again and try searching. It should be working now. And that's it. Just by clearing your cache and data, you can usually fix the Google search not working problem right away. If this helped, make sure to like the video and drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick fixes like this.